Welcome to my channel. Setting up your Orbi 860 Series Mesh Wi-Fi system using a web browser is quick and easy. In this video, I'll guide you step by step to get your mesh network up and running. Let's begin. Step 1. Connect hardware. Start by connecting your Orbi router to your modem using an Ethernet cable. Power on both the router and satellite, and wait for the LED lights to stabilize. Step 2. Connect to Orbi network. On your computer or laptop, open Wi-Fi settings and connect to the default Orbi network shown on the router label. Step 3. Open web browser setup. Now open any browser and type orbilogin.com or 192.168.1.1 in the address bar. This will open the Orbi setup page. Step 4. Create login and configure Wi-Fi. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your admin login. Then set your Wi-Fi network name and password. Step 5. Sync satellite. Once the router setup is complete, press the sync button on both the router and satellite. Wait for them to connect automatically. Step 6. Placement and testing. Place the satellite in a central location between your router and weak signal areas. Test your connection speed and make adjustments if needed. And that's it. Your Orbi 860 Mesh Wi-Fi system is now set up using a web browser. Enjoy fast and seamless internet across your home. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech guides. For instant help, call 1-803-381-0141.